Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mrs. Messy Bun. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm going to take you all to a trip. With this all situation it's going around, it's been very frustrating, so we decided to let's go to Cary. It's like 2 to 2.5 hours from here, so we thought we just decided Saturday night and we started on Sunday. It's been very long for going. It's been a very long time that we went for a long trip. Yes, that's me taking video. Can you see? It's so funny. Bear with me guys, I'm so sorry. This is the first time I'm trying to take a vlog video. I hope you understand. Maybe in future I will improve myself. Usually I'll pack all the foods and everything. This time I even packed water. No big. It's like we have to be very cautious with kids we are having. I packed lemon rice, snacks, cakes, fruits, mostly fruits and oranges, banana and everything. Usually I'll pack all those things, but still this time I packed more. I don't want to buy anything outside. I bought water, but still I'm not going to drink that water. I'm just going to use it for washing hand on those things. If my kids mess up something, I just want to wash, so I don't want to use my water. So that's why we bought some water, but okay, no problem. We started moving around like 9 a.m. I packed rice. I cooked rice, so we don't have to buy anywhere. See, that's my younger one. See how naughty it is. I don't know. He is like holding the kids for 2 hours without a screen, LCD screen. It's very horrible. But I don't want to use that LCD. I have an LCD, but I don't want to use them. I want to enjoy the outdoor things. See, he's a naughty one. See, he's not wearing his belt properly. I have to tell him every time. While going, we saw an ambulance standing around. I think it's been an accident, but it took only 5 minutes delay. It started moving very soon. Yay! Finally, we are entering Raleigh. We'll be there around in half an hour, I think, something like that. I hope so. Watching these exits are like we should be really careful. If we wanna miss one exit, also we have to take a whole round to enter into the city again. So that's how it's always been. Sometimes we'll miss one exit, especially while coming back. We always miss an exit. That's a very funny thing. And already, I think we are nearing the temple. We plan to go to Balaji temple. It's in Cary, and there is another Sai Baba temple that's just 5 minutes away. Going now to temple, it's like a whole different thing. It was not like previously we used to go to this temple very often. When my kids were like small babies, or when I was pregnant, we used to go to this temple, but now it's a whole different story. We have to wear mask, we have to be very cautious nowadays. I know it's like wearing mask is going to be a new normal nowadays. See how the trees are like green, and it's so the road is so empty nowadays. For coming in fall is like different. The trees will be so colorful and so pleasant. I love coming in fall. Anyway, it's not going to be much cold. It's like a Bangalore weather here, so coming here while it is fall or winter, it's like pleasant weather it will be. I always like to see the tree colors changing, but still the trees are like very pleasant, the green and the road. Well, you won't believe me, the roads like will be like up and down, but you won't feel that tickling tummy whenever we go in India, like Ooty or Kodaikanal. It will be like tickling, our tummies will be so tickly while going up and down or in circles, but we won't even feel here. Yay! And finally we are entering into the temple. This is the entrance to the temple, and you can see the Gobram. I love coming here. I enjoy coming here. I don't know. This time it's like new to me. The temple is new to me. We saw. This time there was no archana and all, but there was a big notice outside the temple that without mask don't even think about entering the temple. It was like that without, and they were selling even masks outside, but yeah, without mask we can't enter the temple inside. We don't have archana, but we saw the god, and we took one round and we came out. I don't know, this time my kids got lucky. They got ice cream from one of the people there. They came running to my kids to give ice cream, and they enjoyed it. It's like a blessing to me now when I saw those kid running to us. They enjoyed the ice cream. It's their favorite drumstick that we get in Costco. They enjoyed. We sat near our car. We had the ice cream, and then we started to Baba temple. Go. Okay. Chittappa ate. You tell you wish him. Vishal, you wish him.
You want chocolate?
How are you?
Sollu.
Hi, Chittappa. How are you?
Happy birthday sollu.
Happy birthday, Chittappa.
எங்க வந்திருக்க? Busy eating. After some time we started for Baba temple. It's just like 5 to 7 minutes away from the Balaji temple. I think we reached the temple around 12 o'clock. I think it's been late. I think it's like lunch time for them. It was closed, so but still we saw Baba from outside through the window.
Stop throwing on me.
So that's the temple we are going to enter. There were cars standing, but we saw one person sitting inside, but I think it's like lunchtime. As I said, it's lunchtime. That's why we weren't able to see in person, go close to inside the temple. So, but we saw from outside. But I couldn't take the video because photos are not allowed. After a few minutes we moved from temple, and this time what we did is we took avoid highway and we took a different route. Usually it is like coming back is also the same 2.5 hours, but we took a long route, and there has been a river. I think it's a river or a creek. I'm not sure. There were like boats going around, and it has a private entrance also. We tried to go near it, but I think it's a creek. While going around we saw. We took this route because we saw a national forest coming around this road. So we thought, okay, it is going to be like Yellowstone, it's going to be like a one-way road, a lot of greenery is closed place, but you'll be surprised to see the place. Then all of a sudden I stopped. I didn't take this clip actually. In between we saw a board saying Ha River and we took left and went to see there. Again, it's the same creek, guys. I think it's a very long one and it's taking a lot of few turns, I think. But I enjoyed seeing the water.
There's people there.
See, this is what I was saying. It's the Ha River. It said Ha River, so we just entered. But a lot of people were there. We didn't go. Like what, we didn't go close to them. We just took diversion. Take diversion. Take diversion. We went to. We went behind him just like what puppies. Wherever he went. The worst thing is I didn't wear shoes. All my kids and my husband were wearing shoes. I didn't wear, and I couldn't walk properly. uh, he likes to play in water. And it's, see how stony it is. How can I walk in this place without a shoe? It won't even. I nearly tripped in a place. நீ கையை விடாத. நீ போகலாம். யாரேன் காலை விடணுமா உங்களுக்கு? நீ ஏன் இந்த மாதிரி டான்ஸ் ஆடுற? Somehow they were very determined to go near the water. So I went behind them. See, they were like enjoying to cross that stone, rocks and everywhere. It's so slippery. I couldn't walk in the slippers, but they enjoyed it. Finally we were in a place, but I didn't see any water near, but I just followed my husband. I saw only this creek. That's so funny, but I like the greenery, the trees. It was so fresh, but we have to be careful. The trees were rooting. It was all in the path. We have to be very careful while walking. Finally, I found the river. It says Ha River. And it was so funny. I made my kids say Ha River. Oh God. Hey, Vishal. My kids love the water. They enjoy in the river. And I was little afraid playing in the water. But still we were away from people and all those things, but still I was like little scared about the force of the water, and luckily I got a spare dress. We won't know with kids how they will mess the dress and everything, but I got a spare dress for them, and luckily it's useful now. My husband had this plan of going to this place. I think he used to research all these special places around while going or coming around home or something. If he would have told me, I would have got some mat to sit and eat. We had lot of place there to sit and eat, but we couldn't do that because I didn't have any mats. They enjoyed the water. You can see them. See, I was scared. See, my phone. I was like moving the phone around. I was like, see, they enjoyed. If no, no. They know swimming. That's why I was like little okay, but still I am like afraid of the force of the water. We just spent like 15-20 minutes around there and we started moving.
அவன் பாரு தண்ணி குடிச்சிட்டு இருக்கான் பட்டுடி 5 seconds முங்கி எந்திரி பாப்பா சூப்பர் இருங்க பண்றான் அவன் பண்றான்
After some time we started moving and you can see this is how we imagined. And you won't believe me, guys, in these lone places there were like lot of houses, big bungalows are there. We were like wondering how people are staying so far away from city. And there were no shops nearby. You need to travel literally nearly 1 hour to move to go buy groceries or something. See, a lot of houses were there, big houses, small houses, but it was this is why we take sometimes avoid highways to see the green places, greeneries, and a lot of different types of homes. Or it's always a refreshing thing to take a different route while traveling. We enjoyed this. It was like 2 hours. It will be like the same thing, so I didn't take much. I just took here and there. And we thought, okay, we are going to enter national park and national forest, but it was so funny how it looked. There was a landmark. It was like there was a Walmart. They said after this Walmart it's going to be a completely forest, but we completely didn't expect that. See, after playing in the water, my younger one is sleeping like that, and my elder one is almost sleepy. But he didn't. I think he slept for like 15-20 minutes and he woke up. But the younger one, he slept for a very long time. He is the naughty one, to say. To be frank, he is the naughtiest. See, I told you, like in here the roads are like up and down, and we don't even feel that it's going up and down or like that. It's very, and the trees are so refreshing. This place, there was a creek going around in the left side by near my the driver side, but I couldn't take the video. I think these are all the private places, private areas, but then we took a U-turn and we came out of this place. We thought we'll sit near the water and we'll eat, but it's all private area. But I couldn't believe that it was so nice to see the greeneries. For a few minutes, I thought we are lost. It's like that. My husband likes these areas. He's a fan of Kodaikanal and Ooty. That's why I think he took this road. It's like, see, it's going around like hairpin bends. It's not literally hairpin bends. It's like that. He enjoys driving those things. See, and this is what I said. This is the national forest. They said this is the national forest. We are entering national forest. But the roads were like highways, literally it was like highways, and we didn't even realize we are entering the city. It was completely from this road till the exit what we have to enter for the city. It was like one stretch of a road. This is what it was all along till we entered the city. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. I hope I will improve myself taking vlogs next time, and bear with me guys. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.